Hi, it's Mark here again, and in this video we're going to install the Commission Kickstart plugin. This is going to be very important in terms of being able to set up our landing pages for running ads to and stuff like that. So here, just simply go ahead and click download. So you go to commissionsclub.com/kickstart. If you haven't already signed up, you may want to go to the homepage here and you'll find that you can join Commissions Club for free. You can get 90% commissions on any of my offers. I've got a whole lot of different product offers and different niches that you can affiliate to and earn excellent commissions from, and more coming and going over time as well. So anyway, that aside, I highly recommend you sign up to that and join our Facebook group. It's a brand new Facebook group at the time of recording this video, so there might not be many of us in there just yet, but it'll build. But anyway, Commission Kickstart. All you need to do is click the download button here, and that'll download the plugin itself. Then click license key, and you sign up here to get your license key emailed to you. So I might just go Mark, use one of my throwaway emails, mark@doublemedia.com, click submit, and it will now be emailed to me my license key, and I've got a zip file now on my computer with the plugin. So now I just simply go back to here and go plugins, add new, and I will click upload plugin, and I will now click choose file, and I can now search for Commission Kickstart. I think that's what it should be called. I've obviously installed it before several times. I'll grab the latest one with the highest number on it, but yours shouldn't have the number on it. And I just click open, and I click install now, and it's installing itself. Great, that's exactly what I needed to do. And then I can click activate plugin, and now I need to go to my email and get the license key. So first of all, I will go to settings, Commission Kickstart, and I'll have to enter my license key in here. Okay, so I checked my email and I've got my license key. I'm just going to paste it in here and then click Save Changes. Okay, I'm done. I now have the Commission Kickstart plugin installed. There's a lot of different things that this plugin can do. I don't want to overwhelm you just yet. What I'm going to do though in the next video is set up a landing page that I can use to run paid traffic to. So I'm going to do that in the next video, and we're going to use Commission Kickstart to import it. Alright, that's it from me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.